Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to stop automatic updates on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to stop automatic updates on your Windows, then I will show you simple method how to do this. First of all, you have to just click on this search menu, then type here services. Click on the services. In this, you need to find Windows Update. Just select any one service and then press W key and find Windows Update. Scroll it down. Here you will find Windows Update. Double click on that. Startup type should be disabled. Click on Apply. Then click on Recovery. First failure, restart the service. But it is selected default as restart the service. You have to select take no action. Second and third also you have to select take no action. Then click on apply, then click OK. Close this window. Click on this search menu, then type here GP edit. Click on edit group policy. In this you have to select computer configuration, after that administrative templates, Windows component, then find Windows Update, double click on that, then find manage end user experience, just single click on that, come to the right section, then find configure automatic update, double click on that, then select disable, click on apply, click OK, then close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can disable or stop automatic updates on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.